Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video we will tell you about Pakistani brand Khadi. Khadi is Pakistan's most expensive brand, but this luxury brand is famous all over the world because of its luxury design. It is owned by Shamoon Sultan. He started his business with 3 million in 1999. Today there are 48 stores all over Pakistan. Shamoon Sultan holds a degree in textile designing from Indus Valley School. Shamoon Sultan launched its brand in UAE after Pakistan. After that, there are Khadi stores in England, USA, Malaysia, Canada, Dubai, and Mexico. This is an international brand. The owner of the Khadi, Shamoon Sultan, made handmade clothes and brought an innovation. They launched products according to the needs of their customers. In 2017, they launched Khadi stores in all major cities of Pakistan. He created a team of creative people for his brand. Their employees are like our family members. We are proud that this unique brand belongs to Pakistan. Subscribe in Dominate World and click the bell icon for more informative videos.